a cool AI application that will generate product video in mere minutes. So in this video, we are going to explain Clueso. Clueso is a new application that is trending on product and right now, and I will be exploring what this product is, and I will be giving you a demo. Before starting the video, let's check what Clueso can do it and how you guys can achieve what I have achieved in this demonstration.
We can also check the analytics section or go to the broadcast section. Let's explore this interface together. We can use the record screen function, upload a video, or work with a single deck. To create a new video, we just click the New Video button. We also see options like Home, Project, and Team. T-Motion may need a payment, but we are not completely sure about that. We can invite others or add mocks. There is a knowledge base feature, and something for authentication. Now, let's stop the recording. We could also go to the analytics section or the broadcast section.
Okay, so this is the homepage of Clueso application. We have option for new recording. We have some other option like screen recording, upload a video, upload a site deck. Then we have some AI tools that is something premium or translator thing. So these are the recording that I was testing earlier. Now I will be doing screen recording video now. So basically there are 2 or 3 features that we can choose from here. And now for the language section, it supposes a lot of languages from here. So first of all, like I will click screen recording video. Now I will select tab from here. I can select entire screen, but I will go from I will go with a single tab. Now it's started our video recording. Now what I will be doing, like I will be demonstrating Clueso only to record itself. Let's say if I am creating a new project and I need to demonstrate how what will the final output that I will be getting if I am using Clueso. So let's say I am going on different option. I am going and I am demonstrating these options. There is some color option, there is some theme options. I don't know, let's just select this theme, and there is a logo option, then there is header option. Now I will be going to broadcast, I will be going to analytics. So say this is pretty much my demo of my application. Now I will be clicking on stop recording. Almost took 2 minutes or something. So here is our video. Let's start the video for now and see what it has recorded. So I haven't done anything on my end, it has done everything on its end. We have a cool background from here, we have a very cool introduction thing. Now as soon as I hover over some of the option, it does the automatic scaling, it does everything on its own. Like it automatically switched to the screen where I am hovering and where I am trying to demonstrate. So this is a very cool feature that I really liked. Apart from this, I need to show something more. Okay, when I go over generate speech, it will give me a generative audio for my whole presentation, right? So say if I am just recording this video and I need to create a presentation on my screen recording, it will automatically creating my screen recording along with the audio. Okay, so let's see what it has created.
Clue to record itself. What will the final output look like if we're creating a new project using Clue? Let's explore. We'll navigate through various options, demonstrating each one. We'll look at the color options, then the theme options. We'll select a theme for our project, then move on to the logo options. After that, we'll explore the header options before moving on to the broadcast and analytics.
Okay, so the automatic syncing is pretty much accurate. Let's see what other options we are having there. So we can replace the background, we can change what we need in the BG. I will select something cool. Okay, no, so I guess this option is pretty much cool, or we can select this for aesthetic look. I will go with this one. So this is a gradient background. Now there is something more I want to show you guys. let me click on this option. Okay, and I click on our recording, there are several options here. So first of all, there is a border thing, so I can select a highlight from a border, I can select the browser one, I can select a notch one, and I can select a glass one, and I can select the animated one. So my favorite is the browser one because I get a Mac type look here. So I can go and do some shadowing part, like what I need to do, like do I need a backdrop shadow or not. Apart from this, the overall shadow also can be changed from here. Nextly, we have a round corner option, so I can like do it from here. So I will like keep it on this. I will keep it this thing. Okay, now there is an option for like changing the video orientation, changing the dimensions of the audio. So if we are like doing the screen, like if we want to like share the presentation in Instagram format, or the format that we like generally see in a smartphone, we also can do this thing, right? Now for now there is a option for translating the video. I can select Chinese, I can select Kannada, I can select Marathi, I can select Dutch, I can select Arabic. So these are very cool features we have here. Now I can export this as an article, as a video, as a GIF. So article is also a very cool feature. So basically, if we want to like give a demonstration how we can create a video or how we can create a project, we just need to go into article and it will do it for me. So say first of all, start by like creating a new project, then navigating through different options available, exploring through knowledge base and changing the colors and all. So this article was automatically generated by its own. I haven't given a single prompt or anything. Now also I can generate a different article, giving it more prompts, and also this is a very cool feature I really liked. Now I can like export this thing from here, from GIF and from video. Okay, so this is for this video. I will be sharing the website link in the comment section. You guys can go and check it and give it a check. I will be back with another such application in the next video. Till then, bye bye, see ya.